When you are invited to an interview, it can be useful to think about some pre- and post-interview techniques. There are some things that can be helpful before, during, and after an interview. First of all, conduct some research. Look back at your application form, as the interviewer can ask you questions about the information you've used in your application to further determine your suitability for the position. Where possible, practice answering some possible interview questions with your employment mentor or advisor. They could ask you things like, tell me a bit about yourself, tell me why you applied for the role, and what makes you a suitable candidate, before offering feedback on your answers. Sometimes the potential employer will ask you what you know about the organisations. This is your opportunity to show them you've researched the role. Most organisations will have a website or will have sent you an application pack with more information about themselves. You may also be able to find out about what types of questions they will ask you. For example, do they use competency-based questions where you will need to give examples of previous things you have done? Try to prepare some questions for the interview panel. Remember, the interview is a two-way process. You could look to incorporate some of your research into these questions to show you have prepared for the interview. This will help to emphasise your interest in the role and show the employer how you can exceed expectations. We know this is easier said than done, but the more relaxed you are, the better you'll be able to focus. Nerves can be a good thing too. Nerves show you care about the opportunity you've been given. You just don't want them to overwhelm you and stop you from giving your best. Try to relax beforehand. There may be things you can do that you know will help you to relax, such as taking a bath, going for a walk, or even trying some mindfulness exercises. Try to remember to eat something beforehand too, to try and boost concentration and energy levels. Try to look the part. Smart clothes and shoes will never go amiss and will help you to demonstrate that you mean business. If the employer has asked for specific skills or qualifications, you could take these with you in a neat folder. They may not ask for them, but always better to be prepared just in case. Okay, so you did it. Don't be too hard on yourself if you remember things that you should have said or meant to say. Interviewing is a skill, and unfortunately is something that only comes with practice. Even if you're unsuccessful, ask for feedback. Constructive feedback can help you know the areas that you can improve on next time around. Sometimes it can just be the case that another candidate had more experience. Try not to take this to heart. Use it to inspire you and help you to continue to strive towards your goal. This could mean you deciding to complete further training or volunteering to gain even more experience or skills. For more support with interview preparation, please get in touch. Good luck.